Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a question October 2015 and variant 43. And the question number is 10. And we have a 4 sequences given 11 mark question. What you will do, there are 2 ways are there. Either you get the sequence first and then, okay, I think we can do both. Look here, -7, -7, -7. Okay. So it means sequence, it means again -7. And what about this? -7. So this becomes what? -13. And then this becomes -20. So I hope so the point is very clear. But how to get nth term? So I'm doing it now here, sequence A. And what is the rule? First term is 15. And common difference is second term -15, so got a -7. And formula, all of it familiar, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I will plug 15 here and D value is -7. I plug in here. Now solve it. It means 15 and this -7 multiply with the n, you get -7n. And negative into negative become +7. And finally, I get what? Sequence A is nth term is 7 plus 12, this 15 become 22. And I can check it. I can check it right or wrong. For example, third term is 1. So put this 3 here. And 3, 7 is 21. And 22 minus 21 is 1. So matches. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This is a test only. And now I'll go. So I'm writing it here. Nth term is becomes 2 minus 22 minus 7n. Let's go for this sequence. So you can see that very clear approach. 7, 6, 5 plus 1. 6 plus 1. 7 plus 1. What about this? 18 again plus 1. 19 plus 1. So I think you can see that it is a +1. So after 8, what is next term? 9. After 21, add 1, you got a 22. And in 9, add 1, I get 10. And 22 plus 1, 23. So I believe this is a nothing hard. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. But how to get nth term? That's it tricky. Okay. So let's start. B sequence. Then what I will do, I will write both sequence separate. 5 plus 6, 7, 8. And second is a 18, 19, 20, and dot. So I copied what I have done. I take the upper value separate and down value separate. So now I'm going to do both one by one. So let's start. What is, as you saw before, A is 5 and common difference is 1. How I got 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. Same story here. A 18 and common difference also 1. I apply both formula separate. Formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. Actually, I am doing without writing formula. So n plus 4 is my answer for it. Now I'm going the same story apply here. Formula is A. A is 18. So 18 plus n minus 1 into D. D value is 1. I simplify 1 minus n and final form I'm getting here. 18 minus 1 give you 17. So 17 plus n. First I split it. Now I combine. How split it? You know it very well. Upper part and down part separate. Now combine. What is the combining form? Upper part and lower part is here. So n plus 4 comes up and 17 plus 4 go. Sorry, 17 plus n. Let me check. Yeah, correct. So this answer is done. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So we have done it. Now going for sequence A finish, sequence B finish. Okay. And this answer is 4 n plus 4. Although no need to write here the way I'm writing now. And 17 plus by n. 17 plus n. This is our answer of nth term. Okay, let's talk about the next sequence. Next sequence is interesting. 2, 5, 10, 17. We have 2 techniques of this one. Okay, and I do sequence here, C sequence. And question is 2, 5, 10, 17. 2, 5, 10, 17. I have a two ways to do this one. Okay, I will do both. First of all, what I add to get 5, so 3 plus. What I get 3, no, 5 plus 5, 10. What about this plus 7? And it means the difference is not same. If difference is not same, okay, this formula of AP I apply only if this difference are same. But if differences are not same, I can't apply formula. Then I have another choice. What is that? Check what is this difference? This become plus 2. What is this one? Plus 2. Make sure if second, this is called first layer difference. This is called second layer. If second layer difference match 100% and square person that 100% and square. And let's say if this is not same even, then 100% is n cube. I think you got a point. But in this particular question, we have n square. Okay, I can do shortcut and I can do long, both okay. So for example, if I'm okay, first I'm doing long working. So long is what? This is called a value. This is called D1 value. And this is called D2 value. Okay. Now I'm applying formula is all of you know Dn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into D1 plus D2 over 2 times 2n minus 1 and n minus 2. So I think clear. So a value come from there is 2. I'm copying. This is a very long word technique, but anyway, I will tell you short even. 3. D2 is 2. So 2 by 2, you know, they will cancel out. In the bracket, n into n multiply, I get n to power 2. N into 2, I get negative 2n. And then 1 into n, I get what here, students, is minus n. And then this becoming plus 2. And I believe you understanding what is going on. Okay, now proceed 2 plus, and this 3 multiply inside the both values, 3n and minus 3. And here n square, and these two values solve, I get negative 3n. Wait a minute. Negative 3n and plus 2. And last equation, I'm writing n square. First, I'm writing n square, and then this n 3 and 3 and cancel out, and I get 2 plus 2, 4 out of 4, 3 gone, 1 left. This is a long working. Now, short technique. Short technique, when I observe that, write best technique on the top 1, 2, 3, 4, and n. Let's start. You know it very well, students, that yes, 17. Thank you very much. The 17 number. Okay. 17. Thank you. All right, 17. Now look at here. What is this? Because I said you the second layer difference is same. 100% n square involved. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. Okay. Now in 1 square, what I add or subtract give this answer plus 1. In this square, 2 square, 4. 4 plus 1 give you 5. In this 3 square, 9. 9 plus 1 give you 9 plus 10. So 4 to power 2 plus 1. And similarly, n square plus 1. So this is a short way to get the answer. So I believe you got the idea and how I got it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now let's talk about the last sequence of the question, and that is D sequence. 2, 6, 18, 54. 2, 6, 18, 54. If you look at here, 6 minus 2 become 4, and this is not 4. So no AP. I feel that into 3, look at here, into 3, 6 3s are 18, into 3. So this is look like a GP. So what is the first term? First term is 2 and common ratio. 6 up, 2 down. Look, I'm going to show you. 2 up, 6 down. Okay. Or 18 keep it up and 6 keeping down. So no problem at all. And formula of a GP is Tn is equal to a r to power n minus 1. So a value is 2 and 3 is here. Because the bases are not same, I cannot do any manipulation. No, nothing. If this is 3, then chances were there, right? But now because 2, we cannot do nothing. So this is my final answer, and something is missing. And what is that missing? I missed these values. Okay. So I think this is easy. Into 3, multiply into 3, into 3, into 3. So into 3. 3 fours are 12, 1 carry, 15 and 16, 162. Into 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 6 are 18, and 4 86. I think so. Idea is very clear. All right. Okay, and what about these numbers, students? Also is very clear. Square of the number and add 1. So 5 square and plus 1, 26. Square the number 36 plus 1, 37. Square the number n square and plus 1. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And I believe all points are very, very clear. And question is also completely done.